We are going to be folding this bird, which is made from a triangle, and it's very easy and elegant fold. This bird folds flat and is very nice to use on a greeting card. We have a piece of paper 7 inches by 7 inches, and from this square of paper we can make 2 birds. We are going to be cutting along the diagonal. First we fold and then we can cut and create 2 pieces of paper. Now we cut and we take away 1 piece of paper to make another bird. With this triangle we are going to be folding so that we make a central line here. And then we are going to fold so that we bisect this angle and create a fold all the way to here, to the center line. And now we are going to fold this corner to the intersection of the previous folds. Turn the paper over and we're going to pinch on this corner and bring this mountain fold to meet this one. Now we press right here and a new fold is made. We can already see that this is going to form the head and this is going to form the tail. Right now we are going to be making the folds to flatten it. So we are going to fold along here. This is a fold that we already have, and bring those 2 borders together and flatten naturally where it falls. This is the area of the head, and then now this flap, we are going to turn it from the back to the front, and we are going to create a fold that connects this corner with this corner here on the back. So we open, we can put it against a flat surface and push from this side so that we can create the fold on this side. And now we have flattened the body. This is the tail, this is the head. We proceed to form the head. It's very easy. We can pre-fold and do something like this and mark the fold to taste about there. Then open, and following that fold we just swivel a little bit and form the head. Now we turn it over, bring the point in as far as we want, so that there is some area here, and bring it back out to form the beak. If we want, we can round this area a little bit for the head and round here.
Our bird is all finished. Here are 2 ideas on how to use it. We can make a Christmas card by adding a little red hat to the bird. To make the hat, take a duo-color paper, red and white, fold it in half, blunt the corner at the top, bring the edges to the center, and fold the bottom part so that you narrow it and make the trim. We can also use colorful scraps of paper to make the birds. Set them against a contrasting color background. Glue them to long rectangular pieces of cardstock to make bookmarks. And then we can give them as presents. I hope you enjoy making these birds, and I invite you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and receive alerts for new origami video instructions. Thank you. This is Leila Torres from origamispirit.com.